Good morning, everyone. Hello, guys. How are you today? How was your weekend? Good morning, everyone. How was your weekend? Happy Monday. Happy Monday, everyone. I was streaming last week on Friday, both AM and PM session. But yeah, I missed it, you guys. How was my trip? It was good. Thank you for asking. This week, guys, I'm going to stream almost every single day, both sessions, AM and PM session. Tomorrow, I'm not quite sure if I'm going to stream PM session. Maybe I will, but I'm not sure yet. So today I'm going to stream from 9 to 11 and from 12:30 and until 2:30. So we're going to stream both sessions on this channel. Tomorrow I'm going to stream AM session. PM session, I don't know yet for sure. Wednesday I'm going to stream both sessions. Thursday I'm going to stream AM session on TradingView TV, PM session on my channel. Friday I'm going to stream AM session on my channel, PM session on Ninja Trader Live. So guys, this week you're going to see me more than your family. So yeah, let's try to trade together because, I trade PM session anyway, just off stream. So why not to trade this together? I guess they're safe. I hope so. Yeah. I read news about Mexico this morning. I was like, well. All right. Guys, any questions before we start? Trying to charge my tablet. Any questions, guys, before we start? Yeah, we're gonna talk about bias on indices today. And on metals as well. Yeah, guys, let's talk about price action. If you don't have any other questions, let's talk about price action. All right. Let's start with indices first. So what we have so far, we completely balanced daily fair value gap. So our target that we were aiming on Friday, actually it tapped us to the tick. So on Friday, I took long from 69.05, right? And we closed at 69.24. I think so, right? And I entered long again on Ninja Trader Live. Exactly same entry, exactly same TP, but it took me out at break-even there. After this, I didn't try again because 3 attempts to long, it sounded like kind of weird, guys. I didn't enter long, but last opportunity actually hit TP. So we completely balanced daily fair value gap. Looking just on daily chart, first, we're still inside Friday range, right? We're still inside previous weekly range. Nothing significant happens this night at all, right? So what I expect to get, probably I will, let me see. Yeah. Look at this daily wick over here. We're trying to stay by 50%, which is kind of sign of bullishness. Let's check, let's add New York Midnight. Where's my indicators? Come on. Yeah, it's over here. So current daily chart, overall choppy. I cannot say I see absolutely amazing picture to upside or downside. On daily chart, nothing interesting. On both ES and NQ, just nothing to look at, right? Here's the forward chart, exactly same picture as you can see over here. Just consolidation, nothing else. Also, what we can see so far over here, we complete. Actually, no, it's not balance part. So it's about to form for a value gap. Ideally, I would like to see attempt to go higher to touch this volume imbalance and attempt to retrace lower again. So basically, we're trading inside for range as well, right? For value gap making. You talking about which? This one? Big one? Yeah. Probably. I will be conservative because it's consolidation. If I will enter long, I will aim for volume imbalance. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Let's check New York midnight open. So far, let me open statistic real quick. I'm going to take a screenshot to show you. Let me duplicate the page. Because lots of people are asking me about like which statistic I use, how to use this. I'm going to show you something right now. Please faster. Don't be shy. So, okay, let's take a look at statistic about New York midnight open. It's for yes. I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you. And here's in Q. Where's my in Q, please? Oh, over here, okay. So what we can see here, according to 1 year data, 12 months data. So about New York midnight open, yes, we're going to open above New York midnight open, but the question is, so according to statistic, 1 year statistic, if you open above New York midnight open on yes, we have 51% chance to trace to New York midnight open. So I wouldn't say it's a lot. So I would say it's pretty much like small chance if you don't have any levels near New York midnight open, as well as on NQ we have 44% chance to retrace to New York midnight open if we're going to open above this level on Monday. On Monday, once again on Monday, not overall statistic, but on Monday, according to 12 months data, we don't have big chance to retrace to New York midnight open, right? Which means what? So if we're not going to have any key levels at New York midnight open over here right now, what I can expect? Yes, between 3 and 7 a.m. we did not tap New York midnight open. As you can see, probably we're going to open way above this level. So the main question, doesn't really need to retrace lower to New York midnight open to continue going higher at this point? I would say no, we don't need a deep discount to continue going higher. So what can happen? We can sweep just internal liquidity level and continue going higher where? Towards this volume imbalance, right? So once again, we have 45 overall. Okay, like let's overall average, we have 45% chance to retrace to New York midnight open on ES and NQ if ES and NQ are going to open above New York midnight open. So once again, we clearly can see New York midnight open in deep discount. Asia low right now equal lows. It's nice, it's okay. I mean, perfect. But the question is, if the price really wants to go down to New York midnight open, I probably will stay away from saying like I'm bullish for the day. What in reality can happen? We still have like 30 more minutes. We don't know where it's going to open, right? Maybe it's going to break like below New York midnight open in 2 minutes. Who knows? But what I want to say, guys, if we're going to break below New York midnight open today, I'm not going to be bullish until probably PM session. This means we'll drop. Where we will drop? To Friday low. So we will start looking for shorts below New York midnight open. But looking at current statistic, we have once again small chance to retrace to New York midnight open, which is 45%, which means I would like to see a sweep of internal liquidity level over here and probably continuation higher to actually balance this volume imbalance, right? Make sense? That's what I expect to get. If price really wants to retrace, probably I would like to get a retracement from here. But so far we have SMT. But ideally, once again, I would like to see... I'm not talking about big moves today because overall we're inside consolidation. I hate to talk about big moves when we're inside consolidation high time frame. But so far, like just looking at current picture, I would like to see probably some longs first. That's what I expect to get. Keep in mind, guys, we're still trading inside Friday range, we're still trading inside previous weekly range, so nothing significant happened yet. Yes, exactly, we're still inside, it's inside bar, so I would say nothing significant happened yet. We can just create a plan what will happen if we're going to respect this level or this level. As already said before, let's say it's going to sweep this liquidity level. If it's going to sweep this liquidity level, offers like hourly or 30-minute sweep, we will try to long using 3 or 5 minute OB. TP is going to be here. Will it be enough for us? Of course. So what will happen if price is going to displace also down below New York midnight open? We are going to use our first, remember guys, I discussed like models to trade from New York midnight open. So at this point, what we are going to wait for? Break, the test of first fair value gap. After we got break below New York midnight open, we will place ourselves over here, somewhere over here, short from here to aim for Friday high. Friday low, not Friday high. So I will look for shorts below New York midnight open. We can get around like 20 points. We don't need more. So once again, same for NQ. We're going to break below New York midnight open. Let's try to aim for Friday low. We're going to sweep this level. We're looking for move towards this volume imbalance. Once again, since we inside the range on medium time frame, on lower time frame, on high time frame, I will look for conservative targets. I don't need to catch like 100 points on ES or I don't know 500 points on NQ. I don't need this. I will be conservative. Let's talk about gold. Our gold setup from Friday play out so good, so good. We retraced where we wanted. We reached the level that I was looking at Friday. It's just like perfect price action. So guys, looking at current picture on far chart, we hit 25% of weekly wick. It was our level since like 2 weeks ago, right? So what I would like to see today? For today, I would like to see if the sweep is going to hold on gold over here. And if it's going to hold the sweep, I will use 15-minute order block as my potential short opportunity, and I will execute this on lower time frame. So I will aim for first TP for our untapped fair value gap. And last TP for the day is going to be 5050 daily OB. So what I would like to see in my perfect world. Something like, maybe not that deep. Something like this. What time frame? You have options: 2-minute time frame, 3-minute time frame, or 5-minute time frame. Don't go on 1-minute chart, don't go on 15-minute chart. 2, 3, 5. Any you like. Personally, I started backtesting with 2-minute chart. In perfect world, you like it? But on 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart, it works so good as well. So backtest, look which one is going to work better for you. So once again, where I stopped. So I will look for shorts if you're going to break this level first. So I would like to wait for the closure, break below this candle, short down. But once again, I'm still bullish. I would like to see the retracement down on gold. Key level at 50% of weekly wick at 5300, like lots of points to go higher. So once again, inside consolidation, would like to see manipulation down for longs. Let's talk about the ever futures, of course. So maybe something like this. If it's going to fail to offer any reaction from this level, oops, not from this, of course. Not from this level, I would like to see move towards this area over here, and then potential reaction. Ever futures. Yeah, let's do tab analysis real quick. If you don't mind, I'm going to delete all levels from here. Let's do from the very beginning. Alright, we have... Okay. Major liquidity level, major buy side liquidity level. We have a weekly flat candle. By the way, we still can trade like ever today. Why not? Apex allows to trade this. We're gonna use this. That's it for a weekly chart. Also going to just point previous weekly high, previous weekly low, and that's it. I don't need any other information on weekly chart. Once again, guys, if you're new on my channel, I'm okay to trade Euro, I'm okay to trade CL, I'm okay to trade gold, I'm okay to trade NQ, ES, whatever. If I see setup, I'm going to execute. So here's a Euro futures 6E chart. So it's allowed to trade on any futures prop firm, Apex, Lucid, Tradify, Funded Next Futures, Take Profit Trader, and so on. All right. What we had on weekly, 1 second. Oh, I guess it's not important anymore. Okay, whatever. Did we hit daily? Yeah, we hit daily order block over here, which is so cool. We need to get some sort of reaction from there. Okay, got it. Got it. So right now I'm going to have a daily OB since it was our high time frame level. Going to switch on hourly chart. We got nice smart money reverse on hourly chart. Amazing. Right now, let's see if it's going to invert hourly fair value gap. So we can start talking about second stage of reaccumulation. Reaccumulation, right? Oh, it's actually inversion. Okay, for my potential idea over here, right now I'm going to switch on 15-minute chart. If Euro is going to retrace back down to 50% of hourly inversion fair value gap and will able to hold this level, I will look for longs. And I will aim for inversion over here. Do we have something on hourly chart? Not really. I will use this one. Okay. So my first trade idea is going to be if Euro futures 6E is going to retrace down to 50% and will respect this level with 30-minute potential sweep, hourly sweep, we will use our strategy, which we always use, to get in this trade. First trade idea. So this means I'm ready to look for shorts only below 50% of hourly inversion fair value gap. So what do you think about this? What is your bias on Euro futures? Invalidation once again is going to be below 50% of this level to aim for sell side over here. Guys, what is your bias on Euro futures? Let's compare, because I'm perfectly fine to trade Euro today. Oh, good morning, Danielle. Yeah, I'm going to show you gold again, like in a moment. Let's just see what people think about Euro futures. So once again, invalidation below 50% of hourly inversion for a value gap, and I will start looking for probably shorts. Right now, I'm not ready to look for shorts just yet. Let's see if it's going to retrace. I have 2 plans right now for Euro, which is once again perfectly fine. So we can trade either of this. I don't care. Gold. Here's a 15-minute chart, guys. I'm going to wait for the closure 15-minute candle. If it's going to close below this 15-minute candle, I would like to see short. To aim for our untapped fair value gap. If no reaction, I'm going to leave runner. I'm perfectly fine with stop loss at break even. Runner is going to be to this daily order block. I'm bullish on gold. I just would like to see the retracement down. I'm not bearish on gold. No, of course not. I would like to get some sort of reaction to downside over here, and long somewhere from here. Yeah, exactly. I mean, not really, because minor equal loss is just inside consolidation. We need to get this closure below this low. See, so far just weaken. Weak, nothing else. Let's wait for 15-minute candle closure, and at this point, let's try to short this. Otherwise, I have no interest in shorts in the market at all. On gold, I mean on gold. Yes, and NQ. I already said this before, but according to statistic, 1 year statistic, 12-month statistic, we have 45% chance to retrace to New York midnight open today. Not a lot. So which means if ES and NQ wants to be bullish, I would like to see sweep of minor liquidity level here. Not lower, if I want to be bullish. Sweep of this low over here, long to this volume imbalance. Sweep of this lows, long to this volume imbalance. That's it. So be inside high time frame, medium time frame, lower time frame consolidation on indices. Which means, guys, be careful. Don't force the trades. Be conservative with your target. Do you trade YM? From time to time, like, I'm trying, but not really yet. So my plan today, what about gold? Just said like 2 minutes ago. My plan for today is trade 20 Apex accounts, guys. So I'm going to execute 20 accounts at the same time. I use Copier, just going to answer my questions before you're going to ask this. I use Copier to copy my 20 funded accounts. I use Replikanto on NinjaTrader. So if you guys, quick reminder, Apex 90% off sale ends tomorrow. This means if you're going to get account tomorrow, you have only like 12 hours to pass this account to get discounted activation fee. Which means if you're going to get account today, you can pass today or tomorrow, you're going to get discounted activation fee. But if you decide to get account, let's say tomorrow, like at 10 p.m., this means, yes, you're going to get discounted like evaluation account, but your activation fee is going to be regular price next day, on Wednesday. So quick reminder just guys, if you want to get 20 accounts, 10 accounts, like as many as you want, make sure to get accounts today or tomorrow morning to pass this as soon as possible to get discounted activation fee. Please. Please. Your video is not working. What do you mean? Silver. Oh, silver. What I have on silver here? I mean, yeah, as well as on gold, I'm bullish on silver. We have nice liquidity levels higher. So I'm overall bullish on gold and silver, just would like to see the retracement down. If it's not going to happen, I don't want to force trades from premium inside small range here. Just longs from premium on gold and silver doesn't really make sense to me yet. I would rather do short retracement to get manipulation and long right after this. Lumi, did you have any chance to use Lucid new platform TradeZella? I think it has built-in copier. No, I didn't try this yet. I saw some posts about this on Twitter, not going to lie. But I didn't try. I mean, I don't really see the reason to try simply because I tried on NinjaTrader, I use copiers that I bought like 3 years ago. So, yeah. How do New York Midnight Open retracement relevant on gold too? Yes. Let's take a look at statistic as well. For Monday, once again, for Wednesday, a statistic on gold about retracement to New York Midnight Open, so good. But on Monday, I believe it's not good. Let me highlight 1 year data. Faster, please. People waiting. I'm going to show you right now. Actually, I'm going to show you like over here. Oops. Oops. Sorry guys, 1 second. I'm gonna fix this right now. What is this? Anyway, this one? Yeah. Can you see guys something here? Let me know if you can see something. We're gonna talk about this. Look at the circle. Well, it's for gold. Let's take a look at the statistic. For the retracement to New York Midnight Open after market open. And yeah, edgeful, that's right. So we have ICT opening retracement. It's New York Midnight Open retracement. Gold 1 year data. We can actually use 6. Which one? 6 months or 1 year data is better? Let me know. I believe 1 year. More data. Which means on Monday, not every single day, on Monday, if market is going to open in 12 minutes below New York midnight open, and we are not inside consolidation, 6 months data is better? Yeah, we're gonna check this as well then. We have 42% to retrace to New York midnight open, and 33% chance to retrace to New York midnight open if you opened below New York midnight open. So over here, right? But on Wednesday, according to 1 year data, we have, look at these chances to retrace to New York midnight open on Wednesday. According to 1 year data, 72% chance to retrace to New York midnight open if you opened above this level, above New York midnight open on gold, and 65% chance to retrace to New York midnight open if you open below this level. Solo data, solo data. So today, once again, since we're inside consolidation, once again, look at this. Hey, please, show me. Don't be shy, please. I'm here. No? Please. No? Hey. Let me... I disappeared. All right, I got it. Where I am? Please show me. No? Okay. All right, I got it. Way better. What's wrong with you? I don't like it. It looks just garbage. Okay, let's do circle for now. It doesn't work. Guys, 1 second, just trying to fix my camera because it disappeared for some reason. It's not this one. Well. Не работает.
Деактивируй везде. Зачем?
5 раз уже делал деактивацию.
На всех теперь ищи, где ты сделала.
Все, иди, чё кричишь? My god. Can you hear me right now? Did I fix this somehow? Oh yeah, finally. Yeah, my husband always annoyed. Like, right? He always acts like this when like he feels like I'm kid and I'm stupid. Oh my god, oh my god. So you can hear me right now. Let me check this camera. You cannot see. Oh, okay. You're gonna see me here. It's whatever. All right. I'm gonna fix this like this. Okay. Perfect. All right. So the guys about this. Where we stopped? We fix this issue. do. So, still inside consolidation on gold. So I don't like gold for now. As you can see, it doesn't want to retrace, so I'm probably not going to engage in longs just yet. I'm going to wait for the retracement that I mentioned before, at least over here to this fair value gap. See inside consolidation, probably I have no inconsistencies. Here's a Euro futures, guys. My plan for Euro futures, which is 6E on your futures prop firms. If it's going to retrace to 50% of our inversion fair value gap, but we'll stay above this level, I will try to long to aim for 15-minute OB. If it's going to break below 50% of our inversion fair value gap, I will look for short. And on indices, once again, looking for move toward this volume imbalance. Let's see where we're going to get better setup. Yeah, in Q over here as well. Break below this level. Ideally, sweep of liquidity level here and volume imbalance. So guys, kids alike, don't forget to subscribe. I'm doing giveaway by the way as well on my website. Let me know if you want to participate. Guys, if you would like to participate in giveaways, first click the like, don't be shy, you got my permission, it's free guys. Subscribe and here is the link for giveaway. So once again, I'm looking for longs on ES and NQ if it's going to offer at least minor sweep for us. If not, I will look for setup on Euro futures, and on gold I have no interest right now. Actually, we can check DXY, I guess, right? Let's check this. What is this? Never mind. My drawings. Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna do quick analysis on DXY to see if we are bullish or bearish. At least at this point, we can validate setup on Euro without any issue. One second. Kind of not enough information for me on daily chart to say if I'm bearish or bullish for the day. So my plan probably is going to be is retracement to 50% of this week. Over here. At this point, we can get retracement down on Euro futures. So yeah, my plan probably is going to be this. On DXY, I would like to see higher to 50% of 4-hour week. And if it's going to offer rejection, we will see rejection from 50% of our inversion fair value gap. It will be short on DXY, long on Euro. Good morning, guys. Yeah, right. Alright, yeah, something like this on DXY and something like this on Euro. Just for now, let's see. Gold, once again, I have no interest in this just yet. And on ES and NQ, we got set up as well, which we're waiting for right now. Let's see. No, it's not will be enough. did you check my website? Guys, quick reminder about ICT syllabus. If you didn't check my website, go on my website funded.now, click learn over here and ICT videos. So here's the exact order I recommend to watch over here and to study ICT. So for example, foundation, then core, then we have advanced over here, and after watching every single video you can leave notes and save these notes. You can add timestamps here if you want, and once you're done with this video just click over here. So you watch this, you will see how many videos you watched, how many videos you need to watch, and so on. So here's the link, guys. All videos I added here in proper order. It's not all videos from ICT YouTube channel. I truly believe you don't need all these videos. So I added only videos that I really consider as important videos and in proper order. So guys, just quick reminder, if you want to study ICT, here is the syllabus with all attached links. And you can leave notes. And save these notes, of course. Yeah, everything saving. Here's a link once again. Completely free, you don't need to buy anything. It's just for free. Alright, let's focus on price action. Guys, if you just joined, I'm going to tell you my schedule again. I'm going to stream PM session today as well from 12:30 until 2:30 PM. I'm going to stream IM session tomorrow from 9 to 11. And not sure if I'm going to stream PM session yet, so not going to promise. On Wednesday, I'm going to stream IM PM session. On Thursday, I'm going to stream AM PM session. On Friday, I'm going to stream AM PM session. So you're going to see me trading both sessions. Okay, market is open so far, just straight up to this. Oh my god, volume imbalance. That's funny. Well. Where's my retracement? Okay, guys, probably we need to change our plan because we were looking for longs to this level. After sweeping this low, it's fine. Here's another confirmation. We had only 45% chance to trace to New York midnight open during IM session. So as you can see, we opened way above this level, way above New York midnight open. So we anticipate to get just continuation higher. Ideally, want to see some sort of sweep, but it is what it is. So. Oh, I'm going to take care of myself. You know, I trade PM session off stream as well. I don't think it's going to be like make huge difference if I'm going to stream this. Right? I don't think that's important actually. Let's set alert by the way here so we don't need to jump. DXY. I hope it's going to retrace here, please. So we can position ourselves. CL. No interest in CL. No retracement, no longs. SPX open, it's about to balance gap. Open low, open close, open. Yeah, we're completely balanced. Almost balanced this gap. Alright. And Q has room to go higher. Well, we had our our bias, correct bias. Unfortunately, we didn't get any retracement where we wanted. It's fine. No reason to chase the price right now. But nice move here. Let's see if it's going to offer like continuation setup at least. For continuation setup, here's the hourly. For continuation setup, probably I would like to see retracement down. Back to this area here. Right now, like, main question if it's going to retrace for us to trade continuation setup. Let's see. So once again, big rejection on Q makes zero sense. It has room to go higher. We need to, as you can see, we completely balance the volume and balance on RD chart on yes, but we still have room to go over here, like higher over here, right? Yes, angry trade in Q. I like your idea. I would like to see 69.50 today. 52, not 50. Just would like to get retracement down first. Somewhere where I highlighted. See this? 6,900. Maybe, please. We don't mind. Kind of stuck. All right. Straight up. Once again, I'm bullish on gold, but I really need a retracement down. My overall target on gold at 5,300. It's like 200 points away. A bit less. So the retracement down kind of made sense to me initially. We still had consolidation here, right? So I feel like I missed nothing yet. Market just opened. Oh, wow, look at this move up here. So we have minor liquidity, which is not important in my opinion. We definitely have bigger liquidity level higher. Buy side on SPX and major liquidity level over here. Major buy side. Actually, not this one. This one. All right, let's see. Oh, yeah. I mean, today is only Monday. So we need to take this easy. So let's see if it's going to retrace. I don't see reason right now to engage yet. I'm okay to wait. Still keeping my eyes on Euro futures in case it's going to offer setup I was waiting for. I mean, I have two plans. One of them is going to play out. Hello from France. Hello, hello. On gold. Yeah, on gold, once again, what makes sense to me is the retracement down. Where? To this level, at 51.20. 70 points, it's not a lot. I did not trade crypto accounts yet. I got two 5K one-step evaluation accounts with Tradify Crypto. I did not have time to study DX trade platform yet. So, but yeah, I bought accounts, guys. I have two evaluations. So I'm going to study this maybe tonight, because we need to start trading this as soon as possible. And yeah, I'm going to trade this on Steam as well. Come on, retrace, please. Don't be shy. Please, don't be shy. Da-da-da. Na, 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 na. Yeah, retracement down, guys. Waiting for retracement down. I'm just looking if I can engage in this retracement down, what I would like to get. Short below the slow. Makes sense. $1.6R. Not bad. So let's see if it's going to close below this low. If not, then I'm going to wait just in one more leg higher in the retracement down. So I'm not going to be in rush. Once again on gold, I'm watching 5300 as my 5338. But the retracement down first, please. I'm not fan of just straight up so far. I mean, I'm fine with this, like, perfectly fine. Nice move up here. We got hourly sweep, we got 5-minute OB. I mean, that looks good, okay. I'm just trying to say I'm not fan of longs from premium. So guys, click the like. This week I'm going to do lots of giveaways. So click the like, subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. And guys, once again, my phone is here. Let me connect to this to my phone. See? It's fun to talk with market makers. So far we are not on trade, probably no reason to talk, but look at this guys, look at this color. It's so good. It's so good. I like it. I like it. Yep. Also, I have crystal ball. You wanna see this? I have crystal ball, so we can ask where market is going. It's heavy. Yeah. And we have fun. If it's not going to help us to become profitable traders, guys, I don't know. I don't know. We did our best. The phone is going to work better, but we can actually use both. Maybe at this point we're going to get like twice fast profitable traders, like twice faster, right? Okay, let's see. How much we're going to risk? 11 points. Shorts below this level, probably. To this 6900. The question if it's worth to try to short 1 second. If it's going to close, I'm going to short here, my stop loss here, and I'm going to aim for 6900. Yeah, like it, kind of like it. I hope it's not going to just drop like within 40 seconds. Let's see if it's going to close below that level. I'm waiting for the closure below this dotted line to try to short this. Wait, not that fast. What are you doing? Not that fast. We got the closure. Let's see, at least it's going to retrace for us. Come on. Well, it could be textbook short, whatever. I trade yes. Most of the time. So far we barely tapped this higher inversion fair value gap. I want to see some more reaction. Trump tweeted something? Of course it's not because of this, it's because of my crystal ball on my phone. Minute I said I would like to short, and they said, you want to short, we're going to drop like without you, of course. Of course. Quite good drop here. At least it was obvious drop. But in my opinion, drop was okay once you can get the closure below the swing low over here. Well, it's okay. It's not top my level. I would like to see some sort of retracement up first. Let's check for a chart. I would like to see more to downside. Look at this low resistance to downside as well. Looks so good to continue going lower. Let's see at least minor retracement back to 16 and 15, 16. We balanced our volume imbalance. We inside a premium in low time frame and medium time frame consolidation. It was just okay. I mean, it was obvious we need to get retracement. Also, we got SMT, right? Yeah, we got SMT. Oh, damn. Well. Let me clean my chart a little bit. I didn't trade gold today, no. Okay. A bit disappointed because kind of clean move, but unfortunately, this horrible closure, it's fine, I guess. Let me check 2-minute chart. Oh, it's exactly the same. If I decided to not to wait for the closure, it could be just aggressive entry. Do you have new glasses? Yeah. I bought them like 2 weeks ago. You like it? Textbook move. Okay, I would like to see probably a bit lower. We have low resistance to downside, maybe like 68.91. Well. Huge SMT at lows. Yeah, it wasn't bad. Agree with you. Keep waiting. Nice move down here. Absolutely amazing. Just didn't like the closure. Even on 2-minute chart, it's exactly the same closure. You know, I don't use 1-minute chart. Well. I'm going to wait for another setup. It's not a problem. Right? It's not a problem. Still waiting for Euro futures. Please, don't be shy. Give us trade. Please. Please. So good. So good. Let's see if it's going to respect 50% of fair value gap. It will be continuation setup. Otherwise, we will divorce here. So looking for move here right now. And Q looks better. I'm not going to lie, guys. Better structure overall. And like crazy huge SMT right now. But this means, guys, today we have price action where we can pass our 20 accounts using like one trade. If you have evaluations accounts, guys, 20 evaluation accounts, you technically can pass with just one trade. Nice displacement here. 17 points drop. Perfect. 3 mini contracts maximum, and you can pass your vals. Just quickly reminder, guys, if you bought 20 evaluation accounts or like 5 Apex evaluation accounts with 90% off, and if you want to get discounted activation fee, you need to pass either today or tomorrow. Perfect error. You like it? Come on, can you please retrace? We will trade continuation. Right now, if I want to short, it's just chasing the price. Is this normal? Normal what? I would like to see retracement up to 50% of fair value gap on 3-minute chart. On 3-minute chart here, we have similar picture on both NQ and ES. If it's going to respect 50%, it will be continuation setup. Yeah, chasing right now, it's just, guys, straight away to blow account. Yeah. How I mastered my emotions? I don't know, like really hard to say. I guess it's more like experience. You know from what level you're going to short to what level you're going to short. If it drops without closure below like certain level, you're just going to stay away. It's not your model. Yes, you were right with your trade idea, you were right with direction, but model wasn't presented. Just have to sit in your hands, guys. We have loaded this to the downside on, yes, definitely it can be continuation lower now. So I cannot say like it's breakaway gap just yet. We have nice BPR. It doesn't look like, you know, like breakaway gap yet. Please, retrace for us. We want to trade? Please? See how kind I am? Just retrace. Higher. I'm waiting. Yeah, it's normally how it works. We swept minor liquidity level, nice drop. Let's... Where is the low? Look at this week on 15-minute chart. That's crazy. We hit 15-minute order block. Did we hit 50% of this OB? Yes, we did. I hope it's going to retrace up right now. Look at this move here. It should retrace right now. Oh, good job who entered short. That's actually a good short. I like it. This one play out. So right now our goal is to see, as you can see, we tapped 50% of 3-minute fair value gap on NQ. We did not tap 50% of 3-minute fair value gap on ES yet. If it's going to respect 50%, it can be continuation setup. Otherwise, we will not touch shorts, right? Because we have huge SMC between ES and NQ at lows right now. But since we have loaded this to downside, I would rather to look for continuation if it's going to respect 50%. Okay, what do we have here? Once again, guys, if you just joined, I'm going to stream PM session today as well at 12:30 PM. If you want to watch me to trade when I trade PM session, just join on this channel at 12:30 PM Eastern time. Like, no way it's not going to offer another setup. Would like to trade continuation lower. If it could reject, we could short from here again, and we would aim for what I would like to aim for. 1 second. Yeah, this one. Let's see. It's going to be trade idea if it's going to offer like move to 50% and rejection. It can be trade idea here. Did you watch Justin Verlin recent video? Not going to lie, guys. I don't really watch videos on YouTube, especially trading videos. What happens there? 5 minute? Because we have nice 30-minute sweep. This one not it doesn't look so good. He said he didn't make any money from trading. I'm not sure if I know this guy at all. I need to see the picture, like profile picture. Maybe I say, yeah, I know him, but I don't know probably him. What is Chris? Chris, are you in the chat today? Chris, hello, are you in the chat with us? What do you think about YM? We got the closure on 3-minute chart here. Maybe it's going to be continuation. Let's see how big risk. 12 points, 5 micros, 12. Oh, actually, it's okay, I guess. We'll trade 5 micros. You sure he knows? I think so. He always right about YM price action. But not me. Not me. I wish gold could retrace, but gold said F you guys. I'm going to just go up, straight up. You wanted to short it long this? Forget about this. What are you talking about? Well, let's see if I will catch continuation here. Let's see. 17 points. So exactly same idea. If it's going to close below this level, let's try to short to London low. Stop loss over here. Okay, going to adjust my contract size right now. I will probably look for like 5 micro short. Let's see if it's going to close. Yeah, English trading looks good to me. Let's see. Waiting for the closure to try. It's 3-minute chart? Yeah, 3-minute chart. It's looking good to try like with 5 micros first. If you're wrong, like we will look for another opportunity, right? Hit the like, guys. Let's get in trade. It's actually order block. We got the closure. Let's see. Look at NQ, guys, how we're trying to fight with 50% of 3-minute fair value gap. Let's see, I may actually look for this setup. We got the closure. Not sure where I'm going to put my stop loss. Probably it's going to be at the top of this order block. How many points if I'm going to execute like here? Like 10 points, 11 points or so. Not going to be in rush. So far, kind of like it. Yeah, I will show you once in trade. Kind of like it. It's around like 1.5 R. Come on, NQ, just display slower. I will use probably 5 micros just to start. Not going to risk a lot on first trade for the day. Oh, by the way, do we have any news today? No, we don't have any news. Look at Euro futures, a bit painful. Give a link. Yeah, it's over here. My bias is kind of bullish as well, but I don't know, like we have SMT at lows, but it's quite big SMT. I would try to see the tracement down to London low as well. If not London low, at least over here at 86. Doesn't want to displace. I don't want to like use limit orders in this trade yet. But looks good for shorts, definitely. Let's see if I'm going to engage. It's going to be my partial. Gold. SPX has equals lower. It's so cold today in Florida, like, and it's tomorrow going to be also cold in Florida. You took long on micro gold. I didn't take any trades yet. On you noticed on SPX. Let me check SPX. We stopped from taking Friday high. We took this, no? You live in Florida. Yeah, it's cold today. Let me check the weather. It's 49 degrees today. 49 degrees. Which is a lot. Okay, guys, let's focus right now. We need to place a trade. Not fun how NQ fighting with this fair value gap, right? $49. Is it low or not? Just buy it. I don't want to buy yet. We kind of have low resistance to downside. I mean, I can buy if I will see like 3-minute OB and so on. Not a fan of price action right now on AES. I see this long short opportunity, but I kind of don't like this VIX and I don't like NQ. That's my trade idea. That's all I see so far, but kind of not ready to engage yet. Well, let me switch on gold right now. Because if it's choppy on indices, normally it's good price action on gold. But it's not like this right now. It's not the case yet. But once again, that's all I see so far. Only yes. I cannot even see setup on NQ for shorts. That's all I see on yes only, this short. We don't have this on NQ. That's probably my concern right now. Once again, good setup on... Oh my god, well. Lol. Come on, Dasha. Focus. You're doing right. You're doing good. Focus. I'm in the US for 10 years. 10 years, yeah. Yeah. Not in my day to day. Come on. Come on, Dasha, wake up. It's Monday. It's trading day. Focus. Can we talk? Of course. Of course. Why are you asking? So we didn't sweep London low. Probably it's not done yet. Please wake up. All right. We focused. We're ready. Hello, Michael. How are you today? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Good job. Pretty perfect job. How was mine? It was amazing. Spent time cleaning my garage all day yesterday. I saw a video you posted on X with snow. Honestly, it's just so amazing. So beautiful weather there. Maybe it's cold, but you know, it's beautiful. Well, I wasn't shower. 32 here is 49 degrees. It's still cold in Florida, you know? But way better than in New York. Way better. Yeah. Well, gold just, no, thank you. 25 in India. I would say, 1 second. In my country where I'm from, it snows there as well, and it's 32 degrees as well. Wow, but it's snow. It's cool. It's cool. So we took London low, nice. Let's see, NQ approaching New York midnight open, same for ES. So probably I would like to see the tracing back up to 10 AM open right now. 914 area. I'm from Belarus, guys. But I don't live there. I was born and raised there. Yes, right. I think so, yeah. Oh, your father from Belarus? That's so cool. That's so cool. So guys, I guess another opportunity for short is going to be as the action from 10 AM open. Probably I would like to see just the tracement back up to 10 AM open on both ES and NQ. If you're going to stay below this level, another short there. Let's see if it's going to retrace. Isn't problem for him? Yeah, probably. NQ approaching 10 AM open, ES kind of struggling so far. Maybe NQ can take this level. Let's switch on 2-minute chart. I'm gonna highlight 50%. Yeah, like 9. I would like to see the test of 10 AM open, 918. Once again, we had low DDs to downside. Probably short was just okay at that point. We did chase to 5-minute fair value. Gap another minor SMT between ES and NQ these highs. Over here. And over here, okay. Yeah, let's see if it's going to be silver bullet, because I guess two setups that we were looking at, they were before silver bullet. It calls ICT kill zones and pivots. Just change the colors because it's pretty much colorful indicator. I'm just thinking if it's going to retrace to this 8, I can be short on NQ to New York midnight open. But once again, according to statistics, we have 45% chance to retrace to New York midnight open. As you can see, approaching this level, sometimes statistics is going, like, once again, 45%. That's something, right? It's not zero. But order blocks entries today were great. How big retracement I want to see on NQ? Like 40 points retracement up. Please. Retrace to New York, to 10am open. 50% of 2-minute order block. Oh yeah. I'm just looking for third opportunity to short. Well, once again, yes was better today. 10 times better. Kind of stuck at London low. I don't like how NQ right now kind of consolidating. Once again, I would like to see just minor retracement up back to 10am open and probably continuation lower if it's going to fail to take New York midnight open now. It's NQ, it's a yes chart. Yeah, and get trade NQ. 3-minute, 30-minute sweep, 5-minute hourly sweep, like whatever, it was the same. Yeah. So right now, what I'm waiting for is just move over here. We really need this first. It's 4-hour candle open, 10am open. So we want to think in terms of accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Open, high, low, close. Open, low, high, close. We barely traded above 10am open yet. So I would like to see this retracement back up again. If it makes sense. Guys, if you would like to participate in giveaway, here's a link in the chat. I'm going to do giveaways. I'm doing giveaways every single day if you're new on my channel. I wouldn't chase right now. We need to get this retracement up first. Well. Hello guys, good morning. How are you? I'm doing good, thank you for asking. Alan, you did an amazing job. You did better than me. Yes, left New York midnight open, so close to this level. Let's see. Just minor retracement up to continue going lower, probably. No. Some people holding runner to New York midnight open. I kind of like it, especially on the yes. NQ from the very beginning was like, no thank you. But yeah, YM is crazy sell off. Yes was better from the very beginning. ICD NQ was tough for me as well. While we got like opportunity to short here and like here, NQ at this point was like, kind of, I don't know. I'm not ready to drop, but no longs as well. Alex, I wasn't fan of NQ. Sometimes I just need to close my eyes and ignore NQ price action. Especially when it's so obvious on yes. Sometimes it's going to be like this, unfortunately. Look at the yes. Yes, so strong right now. Come on, can you please see trace? I'm just asking for a friend. Flash golden NQ. Kind of 10M open first, please. Yeah, guys, I'm serious. Like, I'm fun. Like, you see, like, volatility right now on indices, on metals, and you see how big range we have, right? Like, quite a big range on ES. Like, remember days like 2-3 years ago when stop loss on ES was 3-5 points and it was just okay. Right now it's like 10-15 point stop loss, and on NQ it's kind of crazy stop loss. Once again, at this point you just need to contract down, size down, less contracts, like 2-3 micros. Probably it's not a problem, but yeah, NQ feels like a bit like to trade. But in ES, so good. If you still want to trade indices, I would say ES, especially last, I would say 5-6 months, it was so good. With setup, with ideas, respects pretty much every level. Sometimes, of course, we take in losses, it's part of the game, but most of the time, at least it's tradable, and it's not hard to read price action there. So we hit this level. How do you calculate micros? I'm going to send the link right now in the chat. I use lot size calculator. Sometimes I just calculate in my mind. But here's a lot size calculator. You just can enter your risk parameters and instrument you want to trade. It's free as well. And just use this calculator if it's really hard to calculate in your mind. It's fine. Yes, so strong right now. Zero signs of reversal. Nice reaction from 50% of 2-minute order block and 10 AM open. Okay, let's see if it's going to close below this level. 50 points. Well, if it's going to close below this level, probably it can offer this setup. But we need to get the closure first. Just keep this in mind. Since ES is so strong right now, it's really risky to trade this. Since we got retracement on NQ, we're going to get the closure on 2-minute chart below this level. It actually can be another short. Let me switch on M and Q. Probably I'm going to execute on NQ. Like, no options at this point. We have only one option at this point, right? I don't know, like, we need to get the closure. Here's the short. 35-point stop loss. Well. No closure yet, just sweep. It's not short. So exactly same opportunities. Let me delete for now. So if it's going to be closure as we got here and here, it's going to be short. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We don't have shorts on NQ yet. This means we're safe. You're funny, guys, but I love you for this. Let me check. We still have the equal lows, but we have sell side lower. M and Q. Please, either offer the closure. Market. Yeah, probably. It's Monday, so I'm going to trade PM session today. If not, like right now, we will get in trade like during PM session. Right? So guys, if you're new on my channel, I'm going to stream this week both AM session and PM session, but probably not tomorrow. It's not going to be PM session because I'm not going to be at home. But today I'm going to stream at 12:30, from 12:30 to 2:30 PM, and like from 9 to 11, 11:15. Looking for the closure on 2-minute chart below level I mentioned before. Gold? No, thank you. Nothing to talk about right now there. Euro futures, nice move, but unfortunately, it's okay, you know, like we tapped inversion fair value gap. Actually, we tapped like upper half of this inversion fair value gap. Did we get? We didn't get set up, so I guess it's fine. According to model V trade, right? We missed nothing on Euro today. Did you agree with market makers? Probably. Probably. It was okay, it was cold. Weather was just... Well, let's see if we're going to get this trade. Just got the closure. Nice. Let's check SPX real quick. We approach on sell side on SPX. I need to open SPX on another screen because it's so annoying. I need to jump between... Oh, over here. Okay, got it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. SPX, okay. Alright, so what we're looking at? We're looking at shorts on NQ, right? So if you're New York midnight open, we're looking for SPX to take sell side. So probably short on NQ will be better option. We're gonna see now. If I will put my stop loss at 10 AM open at 9:12, we calculate contract size around like 40 points, 30 points. I think so. It's around like 1 hour trade at this point. Not fan of 1 hour. We got the closure over here. ES did not take New York midnight open. I may actually try with 3 micros on NQ. We'll use displacement candle, we'll use market order probably. Yeah, looking for NQ probably short. Not ES. ES, see how close ES to New York midnight open? Pretty strong, probably no reason to execute this. Maybe in Q. I'm not fan of risk reward. I would say probably I don't mind to see slightly higher to reduce like risk at this point. No, I'm not short yet. No, I'm still flat. I'm looking for short now. I'm still flat, like overall. Yeah, I would like to see in Q, probably short. Let me see it right now over here. I will short in Q probably as well. Okay, I'm trying short right now. Just enter it, guys, 1 second. Just entered short on NQ, 3 micro contracts. Trying to aim for New York midnight open at 833. 833.50, okay. Let's see how it goes. Once again, risk reward just 1-to-1. Not good, but could be worse. Let me show you something. ES just took New York midnight open, but NQ didn't. Funny to say, it's my first trade. Okay, I traded in Q like 2 weeks ago, first time for the last 7 months. And it's my second trade for the last 7 months on NQ. Okay, first opportunity to short here. If I'm wrong, I'm okay. I will re-enter my position. Trading my Epix accounts now. 3 micros just to try to see how it goes. Oh, actually, wait, why my stop loss is here? At 12. Over here. Let's see. So far, immediately wrong. I guess it's fine. Better to be wrong immediately than sit inside consolidation. Okay, let's give it a try. Otherwise, I will enter later. SPX just swept liquidity level. Well, okay, not bad. Look at these wicks. What is going on? Look at this wick here and here. Look at this body. Wait, what? Wait, what? Yes, once again was a bit better in terms of like New York midnight open level, as you can see over here, because it was strong from the very beginning. We got nice retracement on NQ, so I kind of... It's a valid trade in my humble opinion. Not fan of this week, like absolutely unnecessary week here. But it is what it is. Da-da-dum, da-da-dum. Reduce my risk here a little bit. Aiming for New York midnight open. How many contracts? I mean, 3 micros? Okay. Trading to break even now. Absolutely unnecessary week up here, like really stressful. We took liquidity level. Da-da-da-da. I'm conservative. I'm gonna trail my stop loss tightly in profit just at this week over here. I'm gonna close here. Out. For 20 points, it's okay. Quick scalp. It's funny because it's my second trade on... okay, W here. Nice. 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 Double in the chat, guys. At least it wasn't that bad. This week was absolutely necessary week, but... Michael, tell me, what's wrong with this week here? $200 on 20 Apex accounts, you know, it could be worse. Made my money. It's my target for the day on Apex accounts. Nice trade. It was valid trade simply because it was obvious we need to hit New York midnight open. And executions were okay, just unnecessary move up here. Nice. Yay, good job guys. Happy with executions here. Yeah. Look at this move from New York midnight opens. That's insane. Seriously. That's insane. Buy pizza dinner, yeah. But I'm close to request payout on these Apex accounts. So, like, we'll take this slow. Really took me slow because, guys, my target on Apex accounts, $200. I would say like 170, $200 per account. Always happy with this. Right. You know what I like today, guys? It's Monday. We got 3 trade ideas and we were right 3 times. Three times. Why? Because we're patient, guys. We're waiting for a setup. Very choppy, but at least tradable. Oh, I have 34 funded accounts and I traded 20. I traded 20 Apex funded accounts and I traded 5 Lucid. Let me actually show you. Oh, it's actually not $200. It's whatever, I guess. Let me show you. Oops, I'm going to show you right now my profit. trading 3 micros. And I show you my last number, guys, account number on Apex accounts. If you like wondering how many accounts I blew, I didn't blow lots of accounts. Michael, my goal for 2026 just focus on process. Like I don't have like money goals. I never had money goals. I always just focus on process and just still believe in myself and don't give up. Funded total capital. I have no idea. I never calculated this. Here's my last numbers, just in case you're wondering like if I have thousands here. It's not even 100 here. Hundreds here. I'm doing good? I think so. How many? You can have 5 funded accounts with Lucid and Tradify. By the way, Lucid running 50% off right now on all plans. I got black plans. Black evaluations. Yeah. Yeah, like I believe like transparency is very important in trading, especially when you promote kind of prop firms. I believe you need to actually tell people how many accounts you blew, right? It's important to talk about this. Because of course you can say I made million from trading, but how many accounts did you blow, my friend? How much did you lose before? It's important to answer this question. 50k accounts, and for Lucid it's 100k accounts. 50k for Apex. If you guys want to get Apex accounts, it's 90% off right now, $75 activation fee, and I got 50k accounts. Easier to get payout. So I trade between 2 and 5 micros most of the time on these accounts. I know it's not a lot, but my goal is just small profit, but consistent with my profit. Hi, Michael, are you going to participate in giveaway? You blew over than 200 accounts not because you traded ICT. It's because you don't have proper risk management. You cannot control your emotions. It's not because you traded ICT or supply and demand or support and resistance, whatever. If you don't have proper risk management, you're going to keep blowing accounts every single time. It's not because of strategy. Just trust me. Right? And you keep dropping, nice. Of course, it's easy to blame someone when you're failing. I know, it's easier. I was there, I know this. But yeah, I mean, I trade 2-3 micros as well. And I trade ICT. I trade ICT in front of people. Like, did you ever see a blue accounts live on stream? A blue account in August. I clearly said this I talk about this on my streams. But I never blew 200 accounts. Yes, never copy someone. Once again, I'm going to tell you like rules that you need to remember always. How old are you? I almost 30, guys. Once again, never ever listen someone on internet. Never ever copy someone on internet. Please. If you took advice from internet, backtest, forward test this first. I can tell you like video trades into New York midnight open 88% of the time on ES on first day, each first day. And it does not mean like you're going to like long or short to New York midnight open because someone told you on internet. No, you're going to go open your chart and test this first. Never ever ever listen someone on internet without backtesting this. Previous one, 50k. Like, yeah, historically, quarter one is accumulation. Second quarter is manipulation. Third is distribution. Fourth is just continuation, where we're going to trace back to the range of quarter three. Yeah, have a wonderful day, Michael. Wish you perfect the rest of the day. Thank you for visiting us again. I appreciate this. Well, guys, if you have any questions, just ask me. Let's talk about something. So, guys, we will continue trading these accounts, Apex accounts and Lucent accounts today, because we're going to trade pretty much all day today, right? I trade from US, guys, but I was born and raised in Belarus. Yeah, I'm going to start giveaway in 15 minutes. Yeah. Ask questions. We will look for another trade, guys. I'm not done with this account. So I still can make like another 150 bucks. George, where were you? I was thinking about you last week. What happened with you? Seriously, I was thinking about you last week. Why you disappeared? It's indicator, but I guess it's point indicator. You disappeared. I missed you. I have free Discord. By the way, guys, I used to sell Discords. It was like 6 months ago. I stopped doing this. This per position, it was... I don't remember how much it was, but I did earn 200 bucks, 250 bucks per trade. You asked 3 times. If I win your giveaway at Apex, they will not unban you, unfortunately. So yeah, I just lots of questions. I probably didn't see this. I'm so sorry, my bad. Yeah, if you see setup, guys, it's according to your model, execute this. This is what I had to do here and on NQ as well. Oh, it's moderator, I guess. Yeah, YouTube updated. It's like moderator. Tradify giveaways is going to be tomorrow. For giveaways, Tradify give. I'm going to do alpha giveaways and funded next features giveaways. Let's. Tomorrow we will do select. Did I send a giveaway from Friday? Who remember what accounts I was giving away last Friday? I don't remember. I didn't send accounts, right? Oh my god, my bad, guys. I'm going to send accounts which guys won on Friday as well. My bad, I didn't see this. Tomorrow we'll do select evaluations, Tradify select evaluations. And by the end of the week, I will do Lightning funded. By the way, guys, if you didn't know, I started trading crypto. I bought 2 5K one-step evaluations, Tradify crypto evaluation accounts. So, let's see. We're looking for another trade. Let's focus right now. So we still look at this reaction from New York midnight open. See the sweeps? Which means what? As long as NQ keep closing above New York midnight open, what you want to do first? You want to forget about shorts. Main rule. If we sweep in New York midnight open but we cannot close below this level, we don't short. We're waiting for the closure below this level. It's main rule. Otherwise, you're going to stop out. You don't want to see unnecessary losses. You're smart. Waiting for confirmation. Right now, do I want to short? No. Why? Because we expect a New York midnight open. So if I want to short right now, after we got sweep of New York midnight open, like it's really 50-50 trade. Yes, in Q, yes, below this level, but in Q is above this level. I would try to see, okay, in Q closing below New York midnight open. Right now we are in sync. It's perfect short. Maybe we'll trade this. If it's going to close below this level with displacement, no problem. Let's continue dropping. Let me check ES real quick. What level we have on? We have Friday low, by the way. Let's check SPX. On SPX, we don't really need to go down right now without retracement up. Look at SPX chart, guys. We retrace back to 50% of this consolidation. What I would like to see? Ideally, I would like to see retracement back to this liquidity level. Kind of. I don't know. I don't like shorts. But we got the closure below New York midnight open. Minor closure, but still we got this. But on SPX... kind of tricky. I don't see shorts yet. Do we have any 5 minute fair value gaps? Once again, if you're scalping, probably it's fine. To scalp below New York midnight open looks ugly. Too short. Let's check gold real quick. No, thank you. But yeah, we're trying to retrace for us. Isn't that amazing? Come on, Euro, just a little bit lower. We can actually position ourselves on Euro soon. So here's the area of support over here. And we kind of stuck at this area of support so far. Alright. Guys, if you just joined, I'm going to stream PM session at 12:30 today. So guys, click the bell icon so you don't want to miss this, because we will continue trading today. I will take a break because I need to leave my house for just 30 minutes, around like 11:30. And I'm going to come back by 12:30 and we'll continue trading together. Together. No, SPI doesn't want to. It's fine. I'm not going to just continue shorting this. Today's first action wasn't bad. I like it. Really like price action today. Oh my god. Where did you enter? On NQ. I don't trade with my funded futures, at least for now. Wow, from our entry drop almost 100 points. It's fine. We closed too early. No. Still cannot, guys, believe I traded NQ today. It's so funny. 871. Oh, I entered 870 as well. 869. Not bad. Had to close. You know, like, guys, even if I was off stream, I would probably close there as well. It's right, but still. Like, agree with me, like, opportunity on ES was kind of weak. Like, probably it wasn't, like, good opportunity to short here to New York midnight open. But we got solid retracement up on NQ. We were looking for shorts from this area. We got the closure on 2-minute chart. It actually was wild opportunity. Good job. 2R is... Oh, yeah, it's actually a good trade. Happy with what I have. I would close anyway because it's my... I don't want to break my consistency rule Apex funded account. I would close anyway. Yeah, I could close like $250, like $80 more, whatever. Seriously, it's not that important for me. But this week was stressful, not going to lie. Absolutely unnecessary week. But drop okay. Price action good today. We're pushing Friday low. Oh wow. Where is Friday low on NQ? Like, it's 100 points away. I believe, like, yeah, looks good. I'm still waiting for another opportunity. Explain consistency rule. I have video about this on my YouTube channel. Let me point you. I'm going to send you video right now. And I have consistency rule calculator on my website as well. Yeah. Here's a video about consistency rule, guys, and we are about to start giveaway. So you have like 3 more minutes to enter giveaway while I'm opening my tab to announce winners. So once again, here's a link for giveaway. You can pick any size, any platform you like with Apex. Euro futures. I set alert. So we're about to hit 50% of our inversion for value gap. Plan is... Yeah, giveaway like in 4 minutes, just fill the form. Maybe we'll do it in PM session. So here's the Euro futures. So we're about to hit to 50%. If it's going to offer our 30-minute sweep with 3 or 5-minute OB. Instead flex, because it's a new plan, I decided to try. So it will be nice long opportunity to this 50-minute OB. Otherwise it will go down to this level, below 50% of our inversion. It's Euro. We're gonna see. Gold, just no thank you. But not going to lie, yeah, I expect to get move up towards this volume imbalance, but I did not expect to get such a big drop. I mean, still happy with this, but... I wish we shorted ES, because ES... We got textbook setup here and here. We were right from the very beginning with setup. You know, Michael, I have no idea. Because ES so close to Friday low. The question is... You took whole short? Yeah. Good for you, woman. Yeah. It was so good. Drop was so good. Instead, I was just shorting in queue. Definitely doesn't look great, you know? Doesn't look great. Because I want to short ES 2 times. 7R? Shut up. I took 1 hour trade and it was really stressful. It was stressful. We had to short, yes. It's fine, we have like PM session for this. Maybe PM session we will get gold set up, you know? Why not? Please gold. Be kind with us. I'm kidding. I'm so sorry, I'm just kidding. Yeah, if gold inside consolidation, just trade indices. If indices are inside consolidation, just trade gold. We're approaching Friday low. Well, I did not expect to get such a big drop. We could collect like 34 points today. Oh, 5,200. You know, I'm happy I'm not in gold long. Alright guys, I guess it's time for giveaway. And guys, once again, I'm going to stream PM session today. Yeah, I answered the yeah, send me message on Instagram, Twitter, Discord. I'm going to stream PM session today at 12:30. We will continue trading Apex accounts. So just click bell icon, guys, you don't want to miss, because we'll continue trading exactly the same as we traded before. I just need to pick my husband up because he's not at home right now. I need to pick him up, and I'm going to come back by 12:30. Alright. Are you ready for giveaway, guys? So you see 150k rhythmic accounts. It does not mean you need to... From where we rented U-Haul truck, because we were trying to clean our garage yesterday. We rented storage. So he went to U-Haul, I know, like, office to drop this car. So I need to pick him up right now from there. It's like 3 minutes away from house. No, we're moving in June, July. So we bought second car and our garage for 2 cars. But we had so much garbage, like boxes from computer, monitors in the garage, and it was impossible to fit second car there. So yesterday I spent my whole day cleaning the garage, throwing boxes away, and we returned to storage to put another boxes there. Let him walk. I said, like, why not to walk? He said, like, are you kidding me? Too much. Guys, we're family. I'm okay to share. I'm simple. Like, I have nothing to hide. Three minutes, like, to drive. Okay, to walk, like, 15 minutes. But he said, like, no. I'm always okay to share. Like, why not? I guess you're okay to listen to me, right? Okay, let's start giveaway. Don't let him walk. It's too cold there. So you see 150k rhythmic accounts. In reality, you can get TradeView if you want. You can get 50k, 250, any size you like. Walking good, yeah, right? Our first winner. Are you in the chat? Balls. I'm not going to read your usernames, guys, because it's impossible to read them sometimes. Okay, you have 33 seconds to say it's me. I'm here. I won. Woohoo. Something. Please, say I'm here. I hate to, like, pick another winner. You have to stay on Steam to say it's me. Next in 9 seconds. Look at, yes, just 2 Friday lows. That's insane. Wow. Such a big job. No? Well, I did my best. He's probably trading in Q. Yeah, probably. Net profit 6.7. Come on, guys. Faster. I'm here. I won. Woohoo. Something, please. I knew, guys, you're gonna send this. I knew. Woohoo! You won Apex account. So you have 30 days to buy this account. And any size, any platform you like. Next winner. The one, it's such an amazing question. I don't know. Seriously, I don't know why. Next winner is you, Max Daddy 1927. Sorry if I read this wrong. NQ approaching, oh my god, NQ approaching Friday low right now. Stop laughing, guys. Oh yeah, finally. You won Epic's account, UC 150k account, but coupon is going to work for any size you like. And last one for IM session. I will do during PM session giveaway as well. Just trying to let you know, if you want to participate in giveaway as well, join PM session between 12:30 and 2 p.m. Last winner for AM session, I will do during PM session as well. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys. Last winner for AM session. Once again, during PM session, we can do... what we can do, actually? I guess we can do... Lucid? No, Tradify? Tradify or Lucid? Tradify or Lucid? I will think about this. Take Profit Trader. It's harder to do Take Profit Trader. Tradify Select or Lucid Flex? Tradify Select or Lucid Flex? So, 18 more seconds. Come on, are you in the chat? Did he reply? No? PM session from 12:30 to 2:30 p.m. today. And tomorrow. No. Come on. Come on. Lucid Flex or Tradify Select? I don't know. We will think about this. We will think about this. Bots? Maybe. Who knows? So, next winner, Z. Come on, guys. Why this username? Ketchup Overdose. I like your username. It's so cool. Ah! Come on, guys. Are you kidding me? No. 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 Yeah, okay. It's not me. It's computer. Oh, why do you always have problem to pick 3 winners? Bye. I can see you actually during PM session. Just join. Please tell me you're in the chat. Of course not, right? Yeah, Rahid, I'm gonna check. No, aren't you kidding me? While we're waiting, guys, once again, Epic's running 90% off and sale ends tomorrow. So make sure to get account either today or tomorrow, because if you're going to get accounts today or tomorrow but decide to purchase like in 3 days, you're going to have regular activation fee. Guys, it's annoying. That's what I want to say. No? Okay, you have 5 more seconds. No? Well. 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 No more epics. Please say you are here. Please. Oh, actually, I know who is this. Alan, you won. Alan, you here? I know who won. Alan, are you in the chat? I never win. I mean, me too. Yay! So, guys, I will see you at 12:30 p.m. in bit more than 1 hour. So, we got in short on NQ. Of course, it looks so painful right now. But it is what it is. So, happy with profit. Profit is profit. So guys, I will see you in 1 hour on this channel to trade PM session. Maybe we will trade gold. Maybe we will trade ES again. Maybe we will trade Euro futures. We will trade something. See you soon, guys. Love you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like. Love you guys. See you soon.